Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we are going to be installing the Wolfbox G900 Pro onto the Cadillac. So they were nice enough to send us this. So we've already installed one on the Jeep, and because we don't really get to use the Jeep much, as you can see all the parts that I need to put on it, it'll be nice to actually be able to use the dash cam. So this one has 4K video on the front camera and then 2.5K on the back. It's got super night vision, voice control, Wi-Fi so you can hook it up to your smartphone, GPS, and it's got a nice 12-inch screen. So it is super functional and I'm excited to be able to use it. So let's get to it. In case you're wondering, the battery in a CTS-V is in the trunk. We're gonna get it disconnected and then get started. Next, we're going to take off these. If you put your screwdriver in the little hole and you twist it, it'll come right out. Maybe. Maybe not. Got it. And then just now we're going to hop to the back and do the one back there. All right, so we're gonna take off the pillar, and it looks like it's already been taken off recently, or it's not put back recently. Okay, so I gotta get this off. Okay, and then this plug down here. Is there a lock thingy? So the pillar's off. So now there's enough room right here that we can thread it through without having to take anything off, I think. So now it's time to get the wires. So we're gonna feed the wire through. I'm gonna start right here where it's a little bit easier. And just feed it back through there. All right. All right. And it's gonna go down like this. And then I'm gonna feed it around here. Yeah, and down the side. On this side, there's a gap in the trim that I'm just feeding it through. Okay, all hidden. Now we're gonna zip tie it under here, but for now. Again, feeding it through where there's a gap. And then that's connected, I forgot. Okay. Plug it in. All right, so this though, I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with that, but for now, this is good. And then we'll zip tie this afterwards. So now we gotta get the rear view camera wire, which is gonna go around here and down the side. I made a mess of this. All right, so same concept. Start where it's easy. So this Wolfbox has the ability to tie into your reverse lights in order to make it kick on with this red wire right here. However, we already have a backup camera, so we're not too worried about it. And we'll just be zip tying it up in the back with the rest of it. Okay, I will get this right. Here we go. All right, so we got all the wires tucked in. This is the part that we didn't show you on camera. It's got a 3M sticker on this part onto the window. There is the option to screw it into the headliner, but we chose this one because it would be easier and not, you know, as permanent of like damage. All right, so now all I gotta do is tuck all this back in, and then we'll put in the GPS next. So I will get all this tucked in. See you in a minute. Everything's tucked back in. Camera is mounted. Last thing is the GPS. So, same as before, deja vu. Now, it explicitly says in the user manual, you have to put the GPS with the black side up. So this side has to be mounted on here. That being said, that means you cannot put it on the window because it would be upside down. All right, now put the pillar back on. Okay, all the wires are tucked in now, so we're gonna put the mirror on. And it's got two different sets of straps. Just slides right on. Well, all right, cool. That's it. It's a little bit tough. Okay, now, oh, I should have plugged in all the stuff first. That was good. Let's see. Nope, I'm definitely gonna have to take it off. Huh? Oh. Right, it is a mirror, huh? Oh no. Which one's which? That's good. I'm pretty sure this isn't the power one. Oh. Okay. hopefully. GPS. And here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the power because it was flat. I think. Hopefully. We'll find out though if not. All right, so the wires are tucked up. Everything's set to go. All we got to do is reconnect the battery. So I'm going to go do that, and then we will see what this mammer jammer does. Brought the handle, so battery is reconnected and handles are in. So now we're actually all the way done. So we're going to crank her up and see what she does. My favorite part. Oh. Okay. Let's see. So obviously you can see that it has the dash cam on. You can record and change the brightness. You can see the back and the front at the same time. That's cool. Can you do just the back? Nope. It looks pretty good even through the window. That's impressive because our actual rear view camera sucks. Okay, go back. What's this? Oh, took a picture. Oh, took a picture too. Why did it do it on both? Let's see. Oh, I take a video. Oh. So there's your recorded stuff. That's cool. And I know you can put it on the computer as well. So, back. Microphone? Is that the voice control? No. Oh yeah. Okay. That's voice control. And then settings. You have all kinds of different settings. Oh, loop recording too. Fatigue reminder. That's nice. What does that do? Does it like yell at you or something? That's cool. All right. Well, that's got a lot of stuff. Oh, screensaver. Rear cam flip. All right, so we're gonna take her on a drive, see what it does. All right, so everything's installed. Everything looks great. If you look at the front camera, it is perfect resolution. The back is a little bit blue. I'm not sure if it's the tint. We looked it up and it seems like other people have similar issues. The back camera, you can't change the white balance and stuff like that, but the front camera you can, so it's not a big deal. You can still see out of it. The voice controls are pretty cool. You can tell it what to do, like show front camera, and then it'll change. You can do the rear camera, and then you can lock the video, so that way it doesn't re-record over it. So lock video, and then it'll do like that. The Wi-Fi, if you turn it on, you can connect it to your phone. You can get all the videos onto your phone and download them. We'll insert a clip right here that's direct from the Wolfbox, so you can see the clarity from the dash cam.
Lock video.
Something I don't think I talked about enough is the night vision on this thing. So my husband was driving to work the other night and he sees headlights in the left lane, which obviously we're on an interstate. There should be no headlights coming towards us. He gets over and there is a truck going highway speeds on the wrong side of the interstate. Perfect reason to have a dash cam. All in all, this is a really awesome dash cam and rear view cam. Thanks Wolfbox for getting this out to us. Wolfbox so generously gave me a referral link, so definitely go hit it down below. And if you want 20% off, it's WB Pro Cam 25 on Amazon for the 900 Pro, or if you want the one with the bumper, it's WB Guard 20. So give it a like, make sure you get one if you need one. They're awesome dash cams. There's a discount for that, or you get a discount on my referral link. The dash cams were super cool. I'm excited for race day passes. It'll be cool to be able to see like what actually happened, even though I was there, but it'll be so you guys can see it too. Anyways, if you like the dash cam, make sure you like the video. Let me know what video you want to see next, and I'll see you next week. Make sure to subscribe.